Let's create your first render in under 60 seconds. Start with a sketch and upload it into Rendair. Add a simple prompt describing how you want your sketch to come to life and hit generate. It's a great result, but we can make it better. You can slightly tweak the prompt however you like, generate again, and now look, we've got exactly what we wanted. From here, take a look at the apps menu. Here, you can start refining your render. Let's try swapping the exterior material. Oh, that's definitely what we wanted. Now how about we add some people to bring the scene to life? Finally, how about instead of the current setup, let's make it a sunset scene instead of daytime to really capture the feeling of the project. Now that we're happy with our finished result, let's upscale it for a sharper, high-resolution final image. And that's it! Your first render refined from a simple sketch into a polished visualization in under 60 seconds.